Hi, I'm Mark Martinsik with Key Advisors. Valerie Woods and I will be teaching this class specifically for CDK users on managing your shop inventory. Do you have an inventory? Parts department does. So let's talk briefly about managing the service department inventory. It's all about time. Quick calculation, just the number of technicians present on any one day times the hours that they're there equals your inventory for that day. And that number changes every day. The difference between our inventory and service and the inventory of the parts department or new vehicles is ours melts. By that, if you can imagine looking at the number of techs times the hours per day that they're here and view it as a piece of ice that you're breaking up and selling every day. Do you sell it all by the end of the day? If not, it's melted and gone. The bad news is you've paid for it all. Some of the categories we'll be looking at in this class are attended time, the time the technician was present or on payroll, work time, defined as the time the technician was performing repairs or maintenance on a real repair order, not a shop ticket. Indirect or non-billable time is time that the tech was doing nothing or was doing training or shop maintenance, etc. And available is when he's not punched on anything at all. What part of that pie chart do you keep the tech in his bay working on a truck? Managing your inventory of individual technician time is critical to managing your service department. How do you look that up on CDK? How do you find it? Can you customize those CDK reports? It's pretty important because we only bill for the time spent working on a vehicle for external or internal customers. Managing time in each of these categories will enable you to focus on opportunities for improvement in your shop. And what do you measure? Well, we measure productivity, we measure efficiency, and we measure proficiency. Reach out to me with any questions about this class or Valerie Woods. There's my email. Valerie says valerie@keyadvisors.com. Or see the link attached on this page to sign up and enroll for this class. Thank you very much.